Have you been dreaming about living in the sunny South Carolina Lowcountry? But life's busy and work's busy, and you don't think you have time to even take that first step. I have great news. It has never been easier to purchase a property remotely. Today we have video, we have e-signatures, we have so many tools to help make this process easy. Keep watching for my tips and tricks on remote purchases. Let's get real. The inventory crisis is still a thing. That means at any given time, there's only a few houses on the market in particular neighborhoods. If you can come for an overview visit, we can narrow this down. We can look at the amenities, we can look at the homes that appeal to you, and then we'll know when that perfect house comes on the market, we have a winner. We already talked about it. You are so busy. However, when that perfect property comes on the market, I want you to do your best to get in the car, book a plane ticket, come down and walk through it yourself. There's no substitution for it. And we can book the home inspection, you can walk on the beach, you can do all the Hilton Head and Bluffton things. And then when you get back, everything will still be there waiting for you. Let's talk money for a minute. If you make an offer on a home, the seller is going to want to see that you have the ability to close. That means if you're financing, you've got to have a pre-approval letter. If you are paying cash, talk to your financial advisor. Get a letter or some sort of documentation that says you have the money to close. So that's it, short and sweet. You do have time. You can do this, and I can help. Contact me today to get started on living your low country dreams. Hit like and subscribe to see more of my videos.